Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will show you how to set song as ringtone on your XIAOMI 15T. So before doing that, you have to make sure that the audio file that you want to set as your ringtone is downloaded to your XIAOMI 15T device. Okay, so now let's go to settings and you have to scroll to section sound and vibration. And then from here, go to ringtone. And now I want you to find a button that says choose local ringtone. So you will see a window that asks you to choose the application to find your file. So those applications are recorder application, audio files, and also your music. So my file is located in my audio file, so I will go here and you will see here list of audio files that are on your device, and let's select specific file that I want to set as my ringtone. And here under the tab my ringtones, you will see this ringtone that you have just submitted, and next to it you have to tap apply button and now select ringtone. And once selected, you will see this little phone icon below the name of the audio file or whatever recording or your song. You will see this phone icon that indicates that your song is set as your ringtone, and every single time that next time that someone phones you, you will hear this specific song that you wanted to set up. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.